Matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a fine.
Welcome to Mike's Tech. You might notice something is wrong here. That's not what Edie Gourmet is supposed to sound like. I reviewed this turntable a few videos ago and mentioned that the speed was a little bit off. So today we're going to take a look at how to fix that.
Bring the groom, slender and pale. Bring me a ring, for I'm longing to be the envy of all I see.
Now, quite obviously, that was not the speed of this turntable off the shelf. I have knocked the speed much further out of whack to make the problem pretty obvious. And so today, we're going to put it back in whack. It was slightly off when I got it, though, make no mistake about that. But I hear similar complaints about many new turntables, and this is how you fix most of them. It's pretty simple. There are a couple different methods that you can go about to judge the speed of your turntable. The most popular probably being a strobe. I haven't had much luck with those because the lighting down here is not really ideal for that. So instead, I found an app here on my phone that we're going to use as the tool to figure out when the speed is set properly. You can use a strobe, you can use whatever you want. That's not really the point of today's video. The point of it is more how to adjust the speed. One other thing, today we're going to try and get this turntable to 33.44 RPMs on this app because I tested it against a couple of different quartz drive turntables that have strobes built into them, and that seemed to be the general consensus that that was about the proper speed. So this app does appear to be slightly off if this is what you are using. It may just very well may be my phone though, so you know. But it's a very small discrepancy, so it shouldn't make that big of a difference one way or another. Adjusting this turntable and others like it is fairly simple. You pretty much just need a screwdriver, preferably a flathead screwdriver. Before you do anything else, make sure that your arm is up. There's no way to lock it down on this turntable, but if you do not have it up, it might and probably will get caught on this mat and tear your stylus apart when you pick it up as the arm swings back and forth, so make sure you put it in the up position. The next step is to, well, I guess actually before we do that, let's just establish where we are at right now speed-wise on this turntable. It would appear that we're around 28 RPM, so we got to bring it up quite a little bit. Adjusting the speed is fairly straightforward. You just pick this guy up, and on the bottom corner here there are two little holes. One of them is marked 33, the other one is marked 45. Yeah, the two speeds are independent of each other. You just stick your screwdriver in and give it a little turn. I turned mine quite a bit because I am very slow. I would go by probably very small increments if I were you, because otherwise you're probably going to end up way overshooting. As I suspected, I didn't even go enough. We're only at 31. So you pretty much just continue to repeat this process over and over again until you find your speed. Now I've overshot. Now we're at about 34.16. So we're going to bring it down ever so slightly. It is a little bit tricky sometimes to get the screwdriver perfectly in that hole as well. That can be a bit of a challenge. We're now around 32.85 RPMs. So hopefully one more of these will do it. We're at about 33.8, so we're going to bring it down just a little tiny bit. And we're hitting, ooh, we're still slightly fast at about 33.6. And there we go, 33.38. We were trying to hit 33.44, so I think that's about as close as I'm going to go. That's one of the disadvantages to this method of adjusting with these pots on the bottom of this thing. It's very difficult to get it just right. So if you get 33.38 and you're going for 33.4, I would say that's probably close enough. I don't know exactly how accurate something like this app is anyway. So, I mean, because especially since it's already shown that it's off slightly on some of my other turntables. So let's hear that song from the beginning this time, hopefully at the proper speed.
Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch. Matchmaker, matchmaker, look through your book and make me a perfect match.
That's better. That's about how Edie Gourmet should be sounding. Well, at any rate, like I said at the beginning of the video, I reviewed this turntable a few months back. If you haven't yet, check out that video. I'll include a link in the description. If you've got any other questions or comments, you can put them in the comment section below. That's all. Thanks for watching. Mike's Tech.
Make him rich as a king for me. Well, I wouldn't holler if he were as handsome as anything. Matchmaker, matchmaker, make me a match. Find me a find, catch me a catch. Night after night in the dark.